The second type of stop loss is determined by using the support and resistance of a chart. This is a great method because it uses the way the market is moving to set the stop loss instead of just a set percentage or number of pips. I don't think I need to review support and resistance anymore with you, but to jog your memory, support and resistance are areas where price is having problems breaking through. So, a great method is to place your stop loss beyond one of these levels. That way, as price has a hard time breaking through, it may bounce off, avoiding your stop loss and give you a chance for it to move towards your take profit. Let's take a look at this example. You can see that the chart is obviously trending down and that we have a falling trend line that is acting as resistance. And you can see multiple times the market is bouncing off of this trend line. Right here, once the market retraces up and you see down here on the stochastic indicator that it's really overbought, you decide it is a good time to go short or sell. But before you enter the trade, ask yourself the following questions. Where could you possibly set your stop loss? And what conditions would tell you when your original trade idea is invalidated? In this example, a good place to put your stop loss would be here above the resistance trend line. That way, if the market moves against you and comes all the way up here, it had to have broken this resistance trend line in order to stop you out. And at that point, all the way up here, the trade is probably invalid anyway, and you would want to exit the trade no matter what. So now that you have your stop loss determined and you want it to be right here, now you can calculate your lot size based on how much you want to risk on the trade and how far away your stop loss needs to be. So let's see what would have happened next. There you go. Resistance held right here and the market bounced off of this trend line and you were able to make your profit down here. This is an example of how you can use support or resistance in order to determine where to put your stop loss.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.